Hey everyone, I'm Kunal and today I'll show you how you can connect your Twilio number with the Retell AI. So as you know that in Retell AI we create different voice agents, and to have these voice agents pick up your call you need a number, and that number can be purchased from Twilio or directly using the Retell AI. So if you go to the Retell AI and click on phone numbers and click on plus, you will see two options. So first one is buy new number and second is connect to your number by SIP trunking. So if you see, the buy new number is basically you are purchasing a new number directly from the Retell AI, which is a fairly simple method. You can pay $2 and just see the number you like to purchase and continue. But that is on the slightly higher end, and there's one caveat that you will not be able to use this particular number in case you want to change your service provider. Let's say you want to use Vapi or any other service provider, you won't be able to use that number. So for that reason, we are going to use Twilio today. So simply go to Twilio, and after creating your new account, or if you already have an account, just go to buy a number. Now make sure that you have voice capabilities enabled and select a number that you like and click on buy and simply buy it. So for this video purposes, we already have a number purchased, so we are going to use that number. Now the next part is once you have purchased the number, you will see the number here and simply search for SIP trunk. You have to select elastic SIP trunks. Create new SIP trunk, name it. Now go to Google and type this Retell Twilio telephony docs, and the first link which is shown, just open it. This is the exact documentation that we need to follow step by step. So in the first step, we need to enable these things, and we'll do it. And simply save it. You'll see a notification as well. Next one is going to the termination. Add your URL. So just after adding the URL, click anywhere and you will see that if it is available or not. If not, simply change the URL. The next part is setting up the IP access control list. So if you scroll down, you will see that you need to add these two access controls. This is the first one and this is the second one. Simply copy these and start adding it here. Once done, you need to set up the credentials. So you can name it anything. Now for username and password, you need to be sure that whatever username and password you added here, you save it somewhere else so that we can use it later to connect with our retail account. So for now, I'll simply add some username password. Okay, so I've created the credentials and simply click on save. Once done, you'll get a notification. Now next go to the origination, and here you have to copy this and paste it here. So this is the route basically which will be used to transfer the calls. You have saved it. Next is going to the numbers. Add an existing number, select the number. You can also select multiple numbers if you have multiple numbers, and done. That's it. Now go to the Retell AI and connect your number. Make sure that your number copy your number from the plus. Add your termination URI. Make sure that you do not have any extra spaces in the beginning and in the end. So next part is adding the credentials, username and password, which I asked you to save it. So simply I will add it here. and in the end give it a nickname. Now you can assign this particular number an agent and try making an outbound call. Let's just try it now. Hey, I was looking to book an appointment. So this is an outbound call and it works fine. So if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments, and in the next video we will see how you can connect or you can create different agents in the retail account. Thank you so much. Bye bye.